Good day to all attendees. My name is Alexander Ignatiev and I lead the Technical Bureau in the Product Management Department. Today I am here to discuss our innovative all-wheel drive seated tractor, model 65955 in detail. It will be able to be used in industries such as the forestry industry, for the transportation of the assortment in oil, gas industry, for the delivery of goods to the production sites, also in the construction industries for transportation. Equipment or various types of goods. The vehicle can be used as a troll trailer, a passion truck, an overhead dump truck, and a tank trailer. This model features a 2300 mm wide cab with a 170 mm tunnel and a streamlined low roof designed for efficiency. The cab represents the 5th generation, expertly crafted using advanced robotic assembly systems designed for top-notch quality. It is completely galvanized with specialized stratophoresis priming and precision painting techniques to enhance durability. Such treatments ensure superior protection against corrosion, supporting a more reliable cabin structure. Notable features include a robust 3-piece metal bumper at the front, protective headlight grills, and a metal mosquito net to shield the radiator from debris and stones. Additional protective reinforcement is installed under the radiator. These thoughtful design choices guarantee enhanced durability and extended structural reliability in harsh conditions. This car is equipped with a KAMAZ-65955 engine with a capacity of 560 horsepower and a volume of 13 liters. It has a motor brake of 270 kilowatts, which allows you to save the resource of the brake discs. Key features of this engine are an increased oil sump volume up to 63 liters and an air filter with 2 filter elements. This made it possible to increase the inter-service interval to 80,000 kilometers and increase the resource of the DVI up to 1 million kilometers. The car is equipped with a manual gearbox which has 16 stages of its own production modification 2520. There is also a KAMAZ-630 transfer box which is designed specifically for all-wheel drive vehicles. It goes reinforced . The car is equipped with a front axle and 8 rear axles of 13 tons each, along with mesh Kolosny and interasse differentials for navigating tough terrains more effectively. This model is equipped with a seated bulk device for 3.5 inches. A fuel tank with a capacity of 600 liters provides sufficient power reserve to perform the tasks. The frame is perforated with a mesh of holes 50 by 50 mm. The frame is crafted from high-strength Sangiron steel, 8 mm thick, reinforced with another 8 mm layer for added durability. Perforation will allow additional superstructures to be made without much effort. The battery box is located on the left side of the frame. The battery pack is installed at 240 amps. For the convenience of the driver, a multifunctional steering wheel is installed here, which allows you to control the onboard information system without being distracted from the road. Manual climate control is also available as an option. Electronic parking brake.
and mechanical.
The gearbox shift knob, a heated pneumatic driver's seat, a sleeping area, and a fridge conveniently located beneath it are all part of the amenities.
The cabin roof features a stachograph with two outputs of 24 volts, two storage compartments for documents, and a roof hatch providing additional utilities. The onboard information system boasts a 10-inch screen and is equipped with voice control. It features FM navigation, radio, USB, and Bluetooth connectivity. Additionally, controls can be accessed simultaneously with the steering wheel for seamless operation. Side curtain airbags provide protection for the driver, while the side mirrors include heating functionality and an adjustable selector for enhanced convenience.
On the passenger side, there are 12-volt and 24-volt power outlets available. To ensure both convenience and comfort, a folding table is provided, ideal for dining or completing documentation.